Hello guys, so today video is about how you can get free likes on your Instagram reels or post. So simply just open your Instagram account and go to your post or reel you want to get free likes. So simply you just have to go to share button, and here you will see a option of copy link. When you will copy the link, you just have to open Chrome and search Famoid free likes, FAMOID, Famoid free likes, and open this website. And here you just have to paste the link and your email address, and after pasting your email address and post link, get free likes, and a timer will be shown and a verification code will be sent to your email. You just have to paste the verification code and verify. Once you verify, you will get free likes on your Instagram. I am again going to open my Instagram and I will show you I have get free likes. Here you will see that I have get free likes on my reels. 10 free likes are posted. Thanks.